If you use CapCut templates a lot, knowing where to find your saved favorites can save you a ton of time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to view saved or favorite CapCut templates using two simple methods on CapCut Desktop. This is perfect if you like to bookmark templates for later, compare styles, or quickly reuse your go-to edits without searching all over again. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and easy software guides. Let's jump in. First, I'll show you the fastest method from the main homepage or template library. Go ahead and launch CapCut Desktop and stay on the initial startup screen. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand navigation pane and click on the Templates tab. This opens the full template library where CapCut keeps all the trending and featured designs. Now, look near the top left section of the template panel, just below the search bar. You should see a small drop-down arrow. Click that arrow to open the menu, then select Favorites. As soon as you choose Favorites, CapCut will instantly show you all the templates you've starred or bookmarked. This is the easiest way to get back to templates you already saved, especially if you want to reuse them in a new project. If you don't see the template right away, make sure you're logged into the same CapCut account that you used when you saved it. Saved favorites are tied to your account, so switching accounts can make it look like your list disappeared, even when it hasn't. Now let's go over the second method, which works from inside an active project. If you already have a project open, or if you want to start a new one, you can still access your saved templates without leaving the editor. Open any existing project or click New Project to begin. Once you're inside the editing workspace, look at the menu tabs in the top left corner. Click on the Templates tab there as well. Under that, you'll see a sub-navigation row directly below the main tab area. From this row, click the Favorites filter category. This will bring up the same saved list, but from inside your project workspace. This method is really helpful if you're editing and want to quickly compare a saved template with your current video. Instead of going back to the home screen, you can stay in the editor and pull up your favorites in just a couple of clicks. If your favorites section appears empty, don't panic. That usually means one of three things. You haven't saved any templates yet, you're signed into the wrong account, or the app needs a quick refresh. Try closing and reopening CapCut, then check again. Also, make sure the templates you want were actually bookmarked, because only saved favorites will show up in this area. A quick tip. If you find templates you know you'll reuse often, save them right away so you can build your own personal template library. That makes your editing workflow much faster, especially when you're creating similar shorts, reels, or trend-based edits. And that's it. Now you know how to view saved or favorite CapCut templates using both the homepage method and the inside project method. These two options make it easy to find your bookmarked templates whenever you need them. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.